Hey everyone, today we're solving a common and confusing issue where the map and filled map visuals are disabled in Power BI Desktop. This typically happens due to an organization's default security settings, which prevent Power BI from sending geographic data to third-party services, like Bing Maps, for plotting. We'll walk through the simple steps to re-enable them so you can start visualizing location data again. First, access the Global Security options. The required settings are found deep inside Power BI's Global Options menu. First, open Options, open Power BI Desktop and load your desired report, navigate to the File tab at the top left. Select Options and Settings, then Options. Next, navigate to Security. In the resulting Options dialog box, look at the left-hand menu. Scroll down under the Global category and select the Security tab. Next, enable the Map Visuals setting. This specific setting controls whether Power BI is allowed to display map components that rely on an internet connection. First, scroll down and locate the section labeled Use Map and Filled Map Visuals. Second, check the box to explicitly enable the use of both the standard and filled map visuals. Third, click OK to commit this setting change. Next, apply the change and verify. For the new security setting to take effect, Power BI Desktop needs a refresh. So first, restart Power BI. Save your report, close the Power BI Desktop application, and then reopen it. Second, verify that both the map visual and the filled map visual are now active and available in your visualizations pane. Finally, test the location field by dragging a location field onto a map visual. The map should now successfully plot the geographic data points without displaying an error message. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.